Revelasyon ni Marites Mondina, pambansang Kolokoy, never nagbigay ng panggastos sa bahay. Sinumbatan sa panluloko sa kanya. Narito ang part 2 ng mga naging pahayag ng ex-wife ni Joel Mondina, aka pambansang Kolokoy, na si Grace Mondina. Ang tanong ni Ogie Diaz kay PK ay kung totoo bang kaya sila naghiwalay ni Grace ay dahil sa pagkakaroon nito ng kirida o kabit. Itinanggi naman ito ni Joel. Prior to that may mga problema na. Unang-una, hindi ko nakikita yung magulang ko. Yung tatay ko, hindi ko nakita ng 10 years. Hindi ko nakausap yung nanay ko, hindi ko nakakausap. Ito yung pinalabas ni PK na pinagbawalan siyang makipagkita ni Grace sa magulang niya at bawal ding pumunta sa bahay nila kahit magkalapit lang ang mga bahay nila sa Amerika. Sabay pakita sa video na may vlog si PK kasama ang magulang niya, 1 taon na ang nakakaraan kaya natawa si Miss Grace. I don't know what to say. Base sa vlog ni PK kasama ang magulang. In 2013 to 2023, that was 10 years. In 2013, your parents sold the house sa US, and your dad go back to the Philippines and retired, while your mom stayed in US. Your brother bought a house and moved in with his girlfriend, and your mom moved in also. But because she cannot be getting along with the other daughter-in-law and your brother, she had to move out and rent a room to one of her friends. Let's talk about your dad. During those times, you and your dad stopped talking because we found out that your dad was cheating on your mom with a younger girl. That's why he went to the Philippines. Everyone knew this, but prior to that, dad ni PK, also had an affair with someone else and had a baby, right? Pinakitang may kargang bata ang dad ni PK. Yes guys, cheating is normal in the family. He cheats, dad cheats, and uncle cheats. And then in 2018, we went to the Philippines, and we even went to Baguio to see your dad. But your dad was not around, ayaw makita si PK. We didn't see him, that's why we had to stay in hotel. That's the story of your dad. With your mom, since she was alone, we decided that she should bond with our kids. It all started when we wanted her to babysit with the kids, but she didn't want fine. Because she works Monday to Friday and sometimes she had part-time in the evening. Okay, she can see the kids Saturday or Sunday. Can't be bought, maybe she's tired, but a lot of times she would cancel because she's going out or she would go to a party. Isang taon daw naging ganito ang naging takbo ng usapan ni na Grace at ng mama ni PK. Nabalitaang dumalo ng children's party ang ina ni Kolokoy at hindi man lang isinama ang kanilang mga anak, lalo na nung nag-post daw na ang pinuntahang party ay Frozen. Ang tema at paborito raw ito ng bunsong anak nila, si CJ. Pero hindi man lang daw isinama ang apo at para makabawi, ay binilhan na lang daw ng Frozen Cup. Ang pinakamatinding dahilan kung bakit nagalit na si Miss Grace ay magdiwang ng kaarawan ng anak nila na may autism na unang beses naglambing na gusto nitong makasama ang lola pero tumanggi dahil may lakad daw sila ng mga kaibigan niya. You and I were so mad at your mom and you told your dad and your dad got mad. And also you didn't talk to your mom for a long time because of money, pagtatapat pa. Humihingi raw ng perang mama ni PK na makitang nagsushow siya at sinabing hindi pa siya binabayaran kaya tumanggi siya at doon na raw nagalit ng husto ang nanay niya. I'm done with her. She didn't act like a grandma to the kids. I was just fed up with it. Pero ang pinalabas ni Joel sa panayam niya kay OG ay hindi botong magulang niya kay Miss Grace dahil married pa ito noong nagsama sila at may anak pa pero sa katagalan ay naging okay na rin. Itinanggi rin ni Miss Grace ang sinabi ni Joel na hindi kilala ng mga anak niya ang lola niya na nanay niya kasi nga hindi raw pinapayagan ng ex-wife niya na makita nila ang grandmother niya.